Japanese automaker Toyota has unveiled its Corolla Cross subcompact SUV for the US market. It is offered in L, LE and XLE variants. The 2022 Corolla Cross is based on the Toyota New Global Architecture C TNGA-C platform. It features a muscular bonnet, a large blacked-out grille, a wide air dam, a roof-mounted rear spoiler, sleek LED DRLs and wraparound taillights. On the sides, it is flanked by blacked-out B-pillars, dual-shape ORVMs, black wheel cladding, as well as 17-inch steel or 18-inch alloy wheels. The 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross offers a spacious 5-seater cabin with 10-way power-adjustable front seats, USB ports on the front and rear for charging, and a 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel. There is an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment console with support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Toyota's Safety Sense 2.0 suite of active safety aids is standard on all models. If Cross's package mirrors that of the Corolla hatch, this means a pre-collision system with pedestrian and bicycle detection, lane departure warning with keep assist, adaptive cruise control with lane centering and auto high beams. Blind spot monitoring is expected to be standard on the LE and XLE models. The US-specific 2022 Corolla Cross draws power from a 2.0-liter mill that generates 169 horsepower of maximum power and 203 Nm of peak torque. The engine is linked to a CVT gearbox along with a front-wheel drive or an all-wheel drive system.